Usually my more kwaba and from a GH Kobe TV so yedi eham se dia na nsem a ekoso an ya fa bia ye de eso me say na first time na wa subscribe to your channel no say ni update bia so etoma onso obenya bi enti na busua sesiam no kasa de Hopeson Adorye ono so de nsem ya betu dwa concerning about Kennedy Agyapong na no yi akwakọ yi ni kai ono so chieche nsem bi because Ghana yen ka no kre senye Ghana yen ka no kre anka obi tumi the case ekọ Ghana na ya wadi for wadi ko bi man so dia ene odi bem wati ase eno na Hopeson o cheche nsem bi afa na yenkotie se ne Hopeson o ka ne nsem e this side emra
Anas versus Kennedy Agyapong on defamation.
Sa
case ya din Ghana ama court ato Anas ne suit na gu se asemo a kan kai no on defame no kwan
sure
ema judge no describe Anas say investigative terrorist no ano kan o say wasa defame no more ano tam asem ni record
say ba sa na ba monti
yes or they call US na US system no ya na jury no edoso nti omo putu 8 member
8 member jury
ana omo ye na jury bia no judge na okra asem no emma mo direction your mamo terms of reference what you should do what you should not do ana omo ye ade no eti jury di wie ni case no na chese omo atra omo bounce akọ awodo niam bia nka omo need that number 2 Kennedy Agyapong ne evidence or the call especially the court ruling ni ade anka se omo botie no omo antie.
Oh really?
Yes. Eti omo ba be ya ade no Kennedy Agyapong lawyer raise mistra say niam bi anko yi judge no sustain that of the mistrial. Number 2 obisa jury no say punitive measures near there na almost ya all the way 8 million ya all the way 5 and ya all the way 5 into all 18 million na judge ne say one direct almost eti wakaye na omuka say e bia ye suggest anasa afi ni e ba be hwa nka problem nim eti omuka sa no say omo akọ beyond what he directed them to do. Eti judge no dismiss jury. Now jury decision no enye final judgment. Enye final judgment. Eti publication e koso ni ade nyina no eye propaganda.
I see.
Eye propaganda. Eti judge no amomo 30 days for Ken's lawyers to submit or more argument and answer opinion whatever say adwuma no mo ye no eye mistra anu ama Anas lawyer so say 30 days say ono so and submit say enye mistra eti hono mo na answer judge no betena se na wama ye can say final judgment
on the case on the defamation case
the omkoko ye is not in record of the court say ya judgment say Kennedy Agyapong ya fine no 18 million.
So where from the 18 million issue? $18 million.
Nipa na onu esiu ye no. O esiu defamation was or the damages of a can say
$80 million.
80 million. Na me kan bibia about law. I don't know. But lawyers no, when say omo nimpa. Surgery or more make a decision is not a judgment until a judge reads a judgment and say I've awarded you this. Now some mistrial a year or more raise and so no a great issue and so more. I didn't na jury sa evidence we mo ahwe I didn't na mo anya we any na guy kan so on there.
But this is a story I'm also seeing. Also, investigative journalist Anas has secured a significant legal victory in the United States, winning an $18 million US dollars defamation lawsuit against former Ghanaian Member of Parliament, Asin Central, Kennedy Agyapong. The verdict was delivered by jury in Exeter County, New Jersey. The lawsuit filed on May 17, 2022, the County Superior Court accused Kennedy Agyapong and media personality Frederick Asamoah of making defamatory statements against Adorye Anas during an episode of the Daddy Fred Show, an online program popular among Ghanaian audience in the United States. During the program, Kennedy Agyapong allegedly made a series of damaging and false claims, including accusing Anas of being criminal, a thief, responsible for murder of investigative journalist Ahmed Swale. So, fast forward, the court document highlighted several significant allegations made by Kennedy Agyapong, including false claiming that Anas has been convicted of crime in Ghana. That is crimes in Ghana. Accusing Anas of orchestrating Ahmed Swale's murder. Asserting that Anas was responsible for the death of multiple Chinese nationals in Ghana. Labeling Anas as a thief. This U.S. legal triumph came after a setback of Anas in Ghana, where he had an earlier pursued a defamation case against Kennedy Agyapong in 2018. Anas had sought a 25 million Ghana cedis in damage, citing defamatory material published by Kennedy Agyapong. However, Accra High Court ruled against Anas on March 15, 2023, citing that the investigative method reassembled investigative terrorism rather than legitimate journalism. It's said in our work, but the award 80 million anytime I read it, that's very particular.
And I'm saying, sad piece way a propaganda.
I see.
The actual judgment in a bar. That's a judge, a sustain. He say yes, kokutia. Nothing who say judgment aba. What you say?
Okay.
It's a jury. Make a decision. Or no doesn't mean say it's a final judgment.
So oko on online. I don't know, but I think, sir, I need a proper interpretation of this very particular story. Sir, investigative journalist Adorye Anas has won an $80 million US defamation lawsuit against former Kennedy Agyapong. What does it mean?
From court to now, Anas Bijina Hona, you say, Adu Wachagum.
Okay.
Adu Bia Day, air publishing. What him say Ghana so there, Asam no Toha. A man for any proper checks.
Yeah, sure.
Any ade.
Sure.
No ubia efa, no bia efa, any kaika. So, but
I understand. To send your work, I say the last part of the story. I say meanwhile, the jury's ruling is yet to be approved, otherwise by the presiding judge.
So, what is the meaning of wa winning 80 million? Wa winning 80 million. So,
yes.
It is a final. Can say final judgment, That's a judge in it, and I say, no, Casas, I say, Mujina, Rodu, Rasamutino, Wabogua, Avena, Ujinabia, or him. So, let us see it say, for now, a propaganda piece.
Sure.
And a namu. Judgment, MIA. The same case, same words that was what you should know. Our superior courts here say, because based on the fact now, defendant present here, any idea no. As someone walk it's not far from say right. And you know what 2 months later, no one sorry say all the US Adorye. Omunkonko di ehwa no man say mama. Say Adorye for there omo hwe crib, omo no omo nim. The way a niama esiko.
Omo ntitwi.
Enye twi no pese bra. What we say a trainer no Kennedy church mu abi ehun say the juma no ye entrapment. What you say?
Sure.
Because me my back kojo ho na say kojo ma me bribe a. See edi ngomo.
Yeah, sure.
Eti ne ma kan ye kojo aka. E say obodi nyina de eti. That dey nti na se me ka ba ko oh me hia $10,000 na me de no abo de kodwo kan de wo mo na fe wu na wo ma commentary on it. What kind of business no eti comment na wo ma no ene na manfo otie na hopsi kokwaje bribe and wo ye say but nkomodu mu na bibia di ho akodwo kan ya eye den e ba abonti eti I don't know ye de kwanfa eti amanfo enka omakuma ento omuyem te say 30 days no beso na judge na tenase na chese wa ma ne final verdict on this eti for now no 3 days as a propaganda piece
Mati